So we have a pack of straps. There are 3 different sizes. They are all front ring straps, and we have 4 20mm wide straps. The total length on these is 200mm. We have a 60mm hook and then a usable loop of 125mm. So there are 4 of these. These are ideal for your gaming cables, PC, behind the TV, that kind of thing. Reusable. They work, obviously front ring straps, as we've done videos before. You feed the hook through the buckle and then you wrap the hook back onto the loop body. So there are 4 20mm wide straps. There are 6 25mm straps. 6 of these with an overall length of 300mm. They have an 80mm hook tip and a usable 20cm 200mm loop length. Again, front ring strap, and there are in total 6 of these. Then we have 2 of the longer straps, again 25mm wide. So 2 of these, and overall length is 460mm. It has a 70mm hook tip and a usable loop of 360mm. And they are the 2 longer straps. All front ring straps, 20mm wide and 25mm wide in 2 different lengths.